In this video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First, open the terminal. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard at the same time. Or you can search for Terminal from the Applications menu. Now we will check for updates. Type this command, sudo aptupdate. Then press Enter. This command checks for any updates that are available for the software installed on your system. You may be asked to enter your password. Type it and press Enter. Now let's update Chrome only. Type this command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. This command tells the system to upgrade Google Chrome to the latest version if an update is available. It will not upgrade any other software. Once the process is finished, Chrome will be updated. If you want to check the current version of Chrome installed, type this command showing on the screen, then press Enter. You will see the version number of Google Chrome printed on the screen. That's it. You have now successfully updated Google Chrome in Ubuntu using the terminal. Thank you for watching.